Passage number 68. Islamabad colon the ruling Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf faced embarrassment in the National Assembly on Tuesday when a number of its lawmakers complained about insufficient allocations for agriculture and various projects in the federal budget, shortage of petrol and absence of ministers. From the House, full stop, they also blasted the Punjab government on various issues, full stop, new para. Taking part in the general debate on the federal budget for the seventh day, PTI lawmakers Sardar Riaz Mahmood Mazari from Rajanpur and Junaid Akbar from Malakand lashed out at the Punjab government over what they called its failure to maintain law and order in the southern part of the province and its decision to ban inter-provincial movement of wheat. Full stop. Mr. Mazari slammed the federal government for not allocating funds for the proposed South Punjab province in the budget. Full stop. We were hopeful of bringing about a change, but disappointment is rife. Full stop. New paragraph. Neither are people getting jobs nor is any development taking place, Mr. Mazari said. Full stop. The PTI legislator recalled that Prime Minister Imran Khan had promised to work for betterment of backward areas, but it has not happened. Full stop. Highlighting the poor law and order situation in Rajanpur, Mr. Mazari said he had raised the issue even with the Prime Minister, but I am unable to understand as to why there has been no action. Full stop. New para, he claimed that a group of 20 to 25 people had made the lives of people in the Saraiki belt miserable through their illegal activities, which include extortions of farmers. Full stop. About 2 weeks ago, he recalled, criminals had kidnapped some policemen and released them only after police released their accomplices. Full stop. Police are reluctant to take action as they are not getting any support from the government. Full stop. He said 5 IGs, inspector generals, had already been changed in the province, but things had not improved. Full stop. New paragraph. Mr. Mazari said it seemed that Punjab Chief Minister Usman Buzdar was powerless, as he is a gentleman and no one listens to him. Full stop. He said one of a senior local member of the PTI had recently quit the party due to the prevailing law and order situation in the area as the police failed to even recover his 60 stolen buffaloes. Full stop. We are crying over India occupied Kashmir, whereas the situation in the area is worse than Kashmir. Full stop. The honor of the people is not safe, he said, demanding that an operation be launched against the criminals. But are our intelligence agencies doing a sign of exclamation? He asked. Full stop. If the police cannot do the operation, then send the rangers or the army to clear the area, he went on saying. Full stop. New paragraph. The angry lawmaker regretted that the PTI had also failed to fulfill its promise of eliminating corruption from the country, alleging that people had acquired jobs in railways after paying huge amounts. Full stop. Another PTI MNA Junaid Akbar lashed out at the Punjab government for its decision to ban the inter-provincial movement of wheat causing a storage in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa province, full stop. I condemn the Punjab government for this ban, comma. The MNA said, comma, adding that such steps caused hatred among provinces, full stop. When Speaker Asad Kaisar, comma, who also belongs to KP, comma, informed the MNA that the decision had been made to lift the ban, comma, Mr. Akbar said, even then action should be taken against those who had earlier made the illegal and unconstitutional decision which created discord among the provinces, full stop. New para. Mr. Akbar also expressed his concern over the shortage of petrol, comma, saying the people were desperately moving from one place to another to find petrol, full stop. On this, comma, the speaker directed Minister for Petroleum Umar Ayub, comma, who was not present in the House, comma, to submit a report regarding the shortage of petroleum products in the country by Monday, full stop. Another PTI lawmaker from Vihadi, Aurangzeb Khan Khichi, protested over the absence of the ministers from the House during the budget debate, full stop. He said he wanted to point out lack of quorum, comma, but was not doing so it in respect of the chair, full stop. He also expressed his concern over the increase in price of wheat, comma, alleging that wheat was being forcefully purchased from the farmers at the rate of rupees 1450 and it was being sold in the market for rupees 1700, full stop. New paragraph. PTI MNA from Chinniyot Ghulam Muhammad Lali complained about lack of health facilities in his constituency and said the Punjab Chief Minister had promised to build Tehsil headquarters and district hospitals, comma, but nothing had happened, full stop. A couple of Muttahida Qawmi movement legislators from Karachi in their speeches mostly castigated the Sindh government of the Pakistan People's Party and also took the federal government to task over lesser allocations made for the projects for the mega city and the attitude of the K Electric with the consumers, full stop. New para. Disciplinary action. Speaker Asad Kaisar announced that he had decided to take action against the lawmakers, comma, including Abdul Qadir Patel of the PPP, comma, for using unparliamentary, comma, indecent and defamatory language during their speeches, full stop. Mr. Kaisar said that it had come into his notice that during Monday's proceedings, Abdul Qadir Patel had used unparliamentary language which harmed the dignity and respect of the parliament, full stop. As a custodian of the house, comma, he said, comma, it was his obligation to take action against the lawmaker as per rules of the assembly, full stop. He said that he would take the action after seeing the video clipping of the speech, full stop. New paragraph. PPP's Naveed Kamar and PMLN Khwaja Asif welcomed the speaker's ruling, comma, but demanded that Mr. Patel should not be singled out and action must be taken against the Treasury members also who had used such language and provoked the opposition, full stop. The speaker said that he was declaring it on oath that he would take action against the members irrespective of their party affiliations, full stop. New para later, comma, at once, point, comma. Deputy Speaker Qasim Suri switched PMLN MNA Waheed Alam's mic off when he used derogatory language about Prime Minister Imran Khan, full stop. Budget passage. The Speaker presided over a meeting of the parliamentary leaders in which it was unanimously decided that the general discussion on the budget would be wound up on Thursday. Grants for demands and cut motions would be discussed on Friday and Saturday, while the finance bill would be taken up on Sunday, followed by passage of the supplementary grants on Monday. Full stop.